Nomadic.
Kamusta mga wan? I'm your Nomadic One, ang iyong hugot travel brain na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. And for today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng Hobbiton, yung famous na pasyalan dito sa New Zealand. Ginawa siyang movie set ng Lord of the Rings trilogy saka Hobbit trilogy. So puntahan natin yon ngayon, and nandito tayo sa Matamata. And this is episode 20 of our Biyahe with me in New Zealand. So, tara, prepare na tayo. Ayun, we're almost done. Kailangan na nating bilisan at kailangan nating makarating ng The Shire at 9:30. So, tara, let's go!
Another day, another gala vlog na naman tayo, everyone. This time, let's travel in a work of wonders and one of the attractions New Zealand is famous for. Samahan niyo ako as we experience the real Middle Earth, where in the heart of Waikato region, you can step into the last pastures of the Shire, as seen in the Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit film trilogies. This is episode 20 of Biyahe with me in New Zealand, and this is the Hobbiton movie set.
Nomadic.
So, andito na tayo mga wan sa may The Shire, and we're just waiting for our boarding kasi 9:30 yung pasok natin. So, yan yung sakayan ng bus, and this is the complimentary map ng Hobbiton. So, ayun, waiting na lang tayo ng pick up ng bus natin.
Welcome to the Shire, home of the Hobbiton movie set where the Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit trilogies were filmed. When location scouts found Alexander's spectacular 1,250-acre sheep and beef farm just outside of Matamata, it was clear this would be the perfect setting for Sir Peter Jackson's adaptation of these classic works by J.R.R. Tolkien.
This area on the left was known as base camp, and it's where we stored the humans.
Welcome to Middle Earth, everyone. So andito na tayo sa may Hobbiton, and explore natin yung Hobbit holes.
In September 1998, Sir Peter Jackson and New Line Cinema discovered the Alexander Farm during an aerial search for suitable sites. Site construction started in March 1999. 39 habit holes were created with untreated timber, ply, and polystyrene. The oak tree that overlooks Bag End was cut down and transported in from near Matamata. Artificial leaves were brought in from Taiwan and individually wired onto the tree. The mill and the double arch bridge were built out of scaffolding. When they were rebuilt for the Habit Trilogy in 2009, these structures were built out of permanent materials, including an artificial tree which was made out of steel and silicone.
So kailangan nating mag-catch up dun sa tour guide natin kasi binamadali tayo mga wan. So konting picture-picture lang and then sunod sa tour guide, kinig konti and then go!
Filming for the Lord of the Rings trilogy commenced in December 1999 and continued in 3 months. Filming for the Hobbit trilogy began in October 2011 and took only 12 days.
Yun, kung nakikita nyo everyone, yung puno na yan, sabi nila hindi daw yan totoo, hand-painted lang yung mga leaves niya, pinagsama-sama, ang galing ng pagkakagawa.
If you are a fan of these films, sobrang ma-appreciate mo yung ganda ng set. It is way more than magical. Don't miss this out and tick it on your bucket list.
So now we are of course in our party deal.
Ito yung famous na party tree everyone sa likod ko, makikita nyo. Dito sila nagdaos ng birthday party, parang ganun dun sa movie ng Hobbit Trilogy. Ayan, yung malaking tree sa likod. Yun, ito na everyone, papasok na tayo sa may Hobbit hole. So, andito tayo sa may loob na ng Hobbit Hole. So, nung 2003, inopen nila yung ibang Hobbit Holes para makapasok ko dito.
As I navigate through Hobbiton, these life lessons struck a chord in me. Be scared, but do it anyway. Feel unqualified, but walk in anyway. Be unsure, but show up anyway. Growth starts where comfort ends. Keep pushing forward. Sa bawat pagkakataong feeling mo hindi ka enough, doon ka dapat magpursige para i-improve ang sarili mo. Keep showing up kasi dito ka matututo. Walang madali, pero lahat worth it. Buhay man yan, pag-ibig o trabaho. Kapag pinagpapaguran, mas worth it ang tagumpay. Nakikita ni God lahat ng effort mo. Tandaan mo, magic happens when you don't give up, even though you want to. The universe always falls in love with a stubborn heart. Maikli lang buhay, piliin mo lagi ang maging masaya. And let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness.
So yun mga wan, nakalabas na tayo sa may Hobbit Hole. So kailangan mo talagang yumuko kasi medyo mababa yung ceiling, parang para sa Hobbit talaga.
And then we are going to meet back together on the left hand side of the...
So on the way na tayo everyone sa may Dragon Inn, and kunin natin yung complimentary drinks natin. And then picture, tas wait natin yung bus natin pabalik ng The Shire. So ayun mga wan, that's our Hobbiton movie set tours. So I don't know kung nakita nyo sa may likod ko, yan yung Hobbiton. So tapos na yung tour, nakapag ginger ale na rin tayo, nakapag ginger beer na rin tayo. So ayun, may mga 44 Hobbit holes, and then merong 2 doors doon, 2 Hobbit holes na pwede kang pumasok, and then ma-explore mo yung loob, makita nyo yung kung paano yung pamumuhay ng mga Hobbits doon. So yun, sana na-enjoy nyo yung Hobbiton trip natin. So this is episode 20 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. Sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. So ayun everyone, see you on my next vlog, and this is Hobbiton.